How many is the back table set for?
Ray Lasher, 14-year owner of Lasher's Restaurant, also in Long Beach, was highly skeptical when Groupon approached him. At first blush, he didn't see how what amounted to a 75% discount could possibly make him a profit.
I put the math to it, and I came up with some ideas that I thought I could make money and still take advantage of the tremendous impact they have.
Indeed, the impact can be tremendous. Groupon told Asher that nearly 700,000 people saw his offer, which resulted in over 600 Groupons sold. Ray Lasher didn't think Groupon was worth it at first. The steep discounts didn't make sense to him until he realized that he could upsell his customers by keeping the Groupon value below his average receipt total.
In my case, let's say to make it easier, they spend $100. $50 that is the Groupon. They spend another $50. That second $50 that they're spending, I'm making my full profit, and I've got people in empty chairs.
Ray also says timing is key. Since the last weeks of the offer get the biggest number of Groupon customers, Ray schedules his offer to expire during his slow period, early fall.
As you get toward the end of your Groupon expiration date, you see a very heavy influx of business. Not only do you have to prepare for that, but it's not a bad idea to try to time that. So I timed the end of my Groupon into one of my slower periods of time.
Clearly, large numbers alone are no guarantee of success.
It's definitely not worth it. The numbers don't make sense. The effort doesn't translate into more sales, more growth.
But if you can find a way to harness the numbers, Ray and John say, bring them on.
I honestly have some great reps at Groupon who've guided me and helped me with this, and it will be great for some, and it won't be great for others. I know that.